Step closer to justice in the Crystal Rogers case in Bardstown. Joseph Lawson, the man accused of driving her car to the Bluegrass Parkway in July 9 years ago on the day she disappeared, appeared over video in front of a judge today. Joseph Lawson is asking for his case to be tried separately from his dad, Steve Lawson. Steve Lawson once worked for the chief suspect in this case, the former boyfriend Brooks Houck. Shay McAllister and chief photojournalist Philip Merle are reporting from Nelson County.
Crystal Rogers' family has promised they will not miss a court date. Today, they stayed true to that. Crystal's brother Casey and his wife right up front in the courtroom. Sherry Ballard, Crystal's mom, appeared over video, and so did Joseph Lawson. Lawson is charged with conspiracy to commit murder and tampering with physical evidence. His dad, Steve Lawson, says it was Joseph who drove Crystal's maroon sedan to the Bluegrass Parkway, where the car broke down. Steve then alleges that Joseph called him to be picked up. And then Steve told police after he picked up his son, they called Brooks Houck to tell him the job was done. Joseph's attorney says they want his case tried separately from Steve's. Steve has repeatedly connected his son to Crystal's disappearance in those police interviews and in grand jury testimony. Today in court, the attorneys decided to postpone any decisions until next month's court date, when Steve Lawson will also be in front of a judge.
Judge, we've been talking especially about the severance issue as well as some discovery matters. I think what the agreement we've come to, if it's accepted with the court, is we would like to put this matter on with Stephen Lawson's case on August 8th at 1:30 to see what Mr. Lawson's attorney and his attorney's decision is as it relates to the 410 statements on Steve Lawson. And that will give us some direction on which way we're going and which way we're going to proceed with Mr. Joseph Lawson.
And a looming question here in this case is, where will this trial be held? We know it won't be here in Nelson County. Attorneys had suggested Christian County. Today, they told me that the judge isn't entirely pleased with that selection, so they're still looking. In Nelson County, I'm Shay McAllister, WHAS 11 on your side.